How's everybody doing today? Keto family, Matt Troyce here, and today I'm going to show you what I was able to pick up from Aldi's and John's Farms following a ketogenic lifestyle. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Anybody you want, you have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. All right, so let me show you what I was able to pick up from John's Farms and Aldi's. So as you can see here, I picked up meat from John's Farms. I did all my meat shopping from John's Farms because I didn't find a good enough deal at Aldi's. And at Aldi's, I picked up everything I usually have on my ketogenic lifestyle. You see, that's the beauty of these locations. You never know what you're going to find that's on sale. For instance, at John's Farms, we found some amazing deals on ground beef. I mean, that is unheard of. The price for grass-fed beef, forget about it. And at Aldi's, I usually find some great deals on my everyday go-to foods on my ketogenic journey. From John's Farms, we got Breyer's Chocolate Carb Smart Ice Cream, spare ribs, $1.88 a pound. I got about 10.5 pounds of those. I got some grass-fed beef, $1.99 each. Incredible buy, incredible buy. I got 12 packs of those. So I got all my meat from John's Farms. From Aldi's, we got 3 containers of eggs, 2 packages of broccoli, 6 bottles of pickles, 6 bags of pork rinds, 2 bags of multigrain chips, that's for the weekends, 6 containers of unsweetened almond milk. I got some onions, 10 avocados, 4 containers of salsa, and 3 containers of hummus. Incredible, incredible buys. So I've got my pork rinds up there. Chips, this is for the weekends though, for my higher carb days. These are incredible, they're organic. And the ingredients are really clean. As you can see here, some clean carbohydrates. All right, so I got my pickles over here. I got some salsa. I got my eggs, my almond milk, hummus. I got my meat marinating over here. Got my avocados, got my broccoli here in the freezer, and I got my meat. Look at this, grass-fed ground beef, 93% lean, 7% fat. This is a hell of a buy for $1.99 a pound. You can't find this anywhere, guys. The only downside to this is because of the expiration date, which is today. But if you keep it in the freezer, it should be just fine. And I'm probably going to have these within the next couple weeks or so. So at the end of the day, do your best to try to find the best deals possible. If it means you going to more than 1 or 2 stores, then do it. Just as long as you're going to save some money in the long run. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so without further ado, if you could guess the exact dollar amount of both of these bills combined, you will be entitled to a prize. Just like last time, the first person to get the exact dollar amount, including cents, will get the prize. All you have to do is comment in the comment section down below, and the first person to get it will get a prize. I'll give you a hint. This time it was more than 100, but less than 120. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 videos I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am positive you're going to enjoy those. Enjoy the rest of your night. Matt Troy signing out.